Welcome to this English learning story. Listen carefully. Repeat after the voice. Let us begin. The story. There was a boy named Amir. He lived in a small village. His family was very poor. His father worked in the fields. His mother stitched clothes for people. They worked hard every day. But they still had very little money. Amir was a bright boy. He loved studying. He wanted to become a teacher one day. Every morning, he walked 5 kilometers to school. The road was dusty. Sometimes it was very hot. Sometimes it rained heavily. But Amir never missed school. One day, his teacher asked, "Amir, why do you come to school every day?" Amir smiled and said, "Because education can change my life." The teacher was impressed. He said, "Very good, Amir. Never stop learning." Years passed. Amir studied harder than anyone else. After school, he helped his father in the fields. Then he returned home and studied at night. Their house had no electricity. He studied under a small lantern. One evening, his father looked at him and said, "Son, you work all day and study all night. Aren't you tired?" Amir replied, "Yes, father. I am tired. But my dream is bigger than my tiredness." His father smiled proudly. However, life became more difficult. One year, the crops failed. There was very little rain. The family lost most of their income. They struggled to buy food. One night, Amir heard his parents talking. His mother said, "We do not have enough money." His father replied, "I know. We may have to stop Amir's education." Amir heard everything. His heart broke. He went outside and sat alone. Tears rolled down his face. He thought, "Will my dream end here?" The next morning, he went to school quietly. His teacher noticed something was wrong. "Amir, what happened?" he asked. Amir told him everything. The teacher listened carefully. Then he said, "Do not lose hope. There is always a way." A few days later, the teacher helped Amir apply for a scholarship. Amir studied day and night for the exam. He practiced every subject. He worked harder than ever before. The exam day arrived. Amir was nervous. His hands were shaking. But he remembered his father's words. "Work hard and trust yourself." He took a deep breath and started writing. Weeks later, the results were announced. The entire village gathered around the notice board. Amir looked at the list. His eyes became wide. His name was at the top. He had won the scholarship. The villagers cheered. His parents cried with happiness. His father hugged him tightly. "I am proud of you, my son," he said. The scholarship paid for Amir's education. He moved to the city for higher studies. Life there was not easy. Many students were richer than him. Some laughed at his old clothes. Some made fun of his village accent. One day, a student said, "You can never compete with us." Amir looked at him calmly. Then he replied, "Maybe not today. But one day, I will." Instead of feeling angry, he focused on his studies. He spent hours in the library. He read books every day. He learned new skills. He improved his English. He never wasted time. Years passed again. Finally, Amir graduated with excellent marks. Soon, he became a teacher. His dream had come true. One day, he returned to his village. The same village where he once studied under a lantern. Children gathered around him. They looked at him with admiration. A little boy asked, "Sir, how did you become successful?" Amir smiled. Then he said, I was not the smartest person. I was not the richest person. But I never gave up. The children listened carefully. Amir continued. Life will test you. People may doubt you. You may fail many times. But never stop learning. Never stop trying. And never stop believing in yourself. The children clapped loudly. That day, Amir realized something important. Success is not about where you start. Success is about refusing to quit. And from that day on, he inspired many children to follow their dreams. Moral of the story: never give up on your dreams. Hard work, patience, and education can change your life. Success comes to those who keep moving forward.